Hi, my name is Frankie Garrett. I am from Professional Seminar 1 and the Technology Mini Course. And I'd like to talk a little bit about instructional technology and 21st century learning and how we can choose from all of that technology in the best interest of our students and their learning. So just a quick Google search will find you dozens, if not hundreds, of different educational technologies that are available. This is not including those hardware tools that we use, but apps and websites and platforms and things like that that are available so readily these days. There's just so many to choose from. How do we know which one is best and how do we narrow that down? So there's a few different things that you should be considering when you're looking at new educational technology to use with your students in the classroom. The first of these is the learning goal. What is the end outcome that you're looking for? Is it a project? Is it for research? Is it to make a video to share? Think about that, and then you can narrow your search down. You also need to think about grade level. You don't want that software to be too easy where it's boring, but if it's too hard, that's going to be frustrating. And then you need to think about what tools you have available to use. Are you going to be installing this on an iPad, a computer, or maybe a phone? And then, of course, you have to think about budget. There are a lot of free and discounted softwares available and apps, but if you do find one that needs a license or a subscription, make sure to include that in your classroom or departmental budget. And don't forget to use your best resource for searching out new educational technologies, and that's your students. These kiddos are networking and they are searching and they're experimenting with other children their age. And so really include them in your decisions and in your research, and they'll feel a real sense of ownership when it is time to engage in learning.